In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Authenticator backup should you use it. First, let's set up the app so you can secure your accounts with two-step verification. Start by installing the Google Authenticator app on your device from your official app store. This is the tool that will generate one-time codes for logging in, adding a crucial second layer of protection on top of your password. Open the app and tap Get Started. Right away, you'll be asked whether to sign in with a Google account or use the app locally without an account. Here's the key decision. Signing in enables cloud backup and sync. So if you lose or upgrade your phone, your verification codes can be restored by signing in again. Using the app locally keeps everything on the device only, which some people prefer for privacy, but it means you're responsible for having another way back into your accounts if the phone is lost. Whichever you choose, make sure the device itself is well protected with a strong screen lock. Now you're ready to add an account to the app. Tap the plus button, then pick scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Scanning is the fastest and avoids typos. Entering a key is useful if the service gives you a code string instead of a QR image. Next, go to the website or app you want to protect. Open its account or security settings and look for options labeled two-step verification, two-factor authentication, or authenticator app. Most services place this under security or password and security. Choose the authenticator app option to begin linking. The website will display a QR code. Point your phone's camera at it using Google Authenticator to scan. As soon as it's captured, you'll see a new entry in the app with a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. If the code changes right as you're typing it, just wait for the next one to appear. Back on the website, enter that 6-digit code to complete the setup. When it accepts the code, your account is now protected by time-based one-time passwords from your phone. So, should you use backup? If you signed into Google Authenticator, your codes can sync securely across devices, which greatly reduces lockout risk when you switch phones. If you chose to keep it local, that can limit exposure, but puts the recovery responsibility on you. In either case, keep your device secure and consider the balance between convenience and control that fits your needs. That's it, you're set up with Google Authenticator and have the context to decide whether backup is right for you.